Are you looking for a digital signage service that blends seamlessly with your business? In this hands-on overview, I'm going to walk you through an introduction to Valotalive. Hi, it's Kaijus from Valotalive here. Today we will be covering the basic features of Valotalive in an admin portal walkthrough. Valotalive is a workplace digital signage software designed for modern employee communications. With Valotalive, you can target and automate content updates to employees using digital screens to engage and inform. This content can come up from your business systems, such as the latest news from your social media channels or from your internet. You can also display the live KPI reports from your business intelligence systems, such as Power BI. Or you can post local updates with ease from your mobile device or laptop. The displays in your workplace can be placed in the offices or production facilities to reach and engage your employees. Or you can have screens in the lobbies to welcome and inform your visitors. Now, let's go over the basic features of Valotalive. Okay, here we are on the Valotalive website main page. And to log into the service, I'm just gonna go ahead and click here. And you can sign up with your typing your email or password, or you can sign up with Google Sign In, and I'm gonna choose that. And I'm landing on the main page of the Valotalive admin portal in the service. And on this dashboard, we can see the displays. And I have created one display already for demo purposes to save time. I'll be leaving a link to that video that explains how to create and activate your first display. The link can be found in the description box below. This will show all your displays. They are red or green depending on if they are online. They are green if they are online and red if they are offline. You can see the map, you can zoom in and zoom out where your displays are. And in this view here, we can see all the apps that are available. And those ones that have color, those icons that have color, we have already created apps. And I have created a few apps to save time in this demo. So we'll cover the apps, flows and displays features, and we'll start with the apps. I'll create one app from scratch and I'll choose to create the Microsoft Power BI in this case. Click there and it will take us to this view. We can see that we have two apps for Microsoft Power BI, one that's called Reports and one that's called Dashboards, but the Reports is one that we're gonna go ahead and choose in this case. And I'll start by naming our app Power BI Retail Analysis. Okay. As you can see here, it asks us to authorize. Basically, we need to identify ourselves against the Power BI cloud to make this integration work and the data flow. I'll click authorize, and what it does, it takes us to Microsoft and to type in our password, our credentials, username or email and password. And I'll go ahead and do that. Hit enter. I'll just say no. And authorization successful. So now we have authorized, and Valotalive can now read my account in Power BI in terms of the reports that I have there. And I can scroll through the reports. I'll take the retail sample report right there, say okay. And if I would be done, but if I would like to adjust some advanced settings, I can do that here. I can say I'll cycle the pages in the report. I'll just do the pages 2 and 3. And we are done. Hit save. Like so. I can close this And if I would like to add new applications, new apps, I can click add new digital signage apps and repeat the process. So we have applications in different categories, as you can see: visual, business information, intranet, news applications, applications for social media, and so on. But we're happy with the apps. I've already created some apps ready to go. So we are happy with the apps that we have now. And what we'll do next is we'll create a flow. So I'll click the flows tab. And in the free trial, we create the first demo flow for you. But what we'll do now is we'll create a new flow from scratch, like so. Name the flow. This is our company's global internal flow that will be assigned to all global displays. Okay. Name the flow, and then we'll start to add some new content. And we'll select our applications. I'd like to show content from our Instagram account, so use our Instagram app. And then we'll choose the Power BI app we just created, like so. And then we'll choose the Yammer app, some internal community discussion. Okay, we have 3 apps in our flow, and what flow basically is, it is a programmatic playlist, and it will automatically update the content according to the apps that you have, and it will also maintain balance between the apps according to the weight or the importance you have given to them. All these applications now are set to normal, but if we'd like to give some more screen time for this app as an example, we can do that and adjust the weight of the content to very high. And as you can see, it updates, and it says that this application now would have, when it's on the display, it would have about 67% of the screen time of all apps. But we'll move it back to normal for our demo. If we are happy with the flow, we'll just go ahead and click save all, and now we will move to assigning this flow and this content to our screens. So to do that, hit displays, and here is my card for my one display that I have already created, and it is not yet online. I will do that soon, but what you can see here is that there's no local content or no content at all. I'll open the display and I will add the flow. You can also add, we'll just choose that flow we just did, and it has been assigned to this display. You can also add, if you want to, you can add just one app to your display if you have the need to show only one content from one application or one data source. But in this case, we want to show content or rotate content from multiple data sources, and that's why we're using flow. It's easier to adjust the weight, and it's easier to sort of maintain the balance between the content. But now we have done that. We have added the flow we just created to our display, and we are good to go. And next, we can just go ahead and close this, and we can turn on our display, and we'll move to see how the content looks like on the screens. So we'll see you in a second. So here we are. Now we have our Power BI report on. It says in the title bar, it says our application name, retail analysis, and as you can see, it scrolls through the 2 pages that this report has. And it says up next, our Instagram app will be on, like so. And as you can see on the lower part of the screen, you have the status bar. The green line says that we are online. We have the clock, we have the display name there, and Instagram app is now scrolling through multiple posts based on our settings. So you can fine tune and adjust the settings in the application configuration, and we'll have later on a video about that. And now up next is coming our Yammer app, showing our internal communication and the latest blog and so. So that was our walkthrough today, and as you could see, the structure of Valotalive has been designed in a way where you can sort of set up your apps and flows, all the content, and forget about it. All the content updates will come from your business systems as you move along. Obviously, you can also manually post content, and we'll have another video about that and leave the link in the description bar below. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, remember to hit subscribe not to miss any later updates. That's it for today. Thank you and stay tuned for more.